वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 6 लाइंस एंड एंगल्स स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। एक्सरसाइज 6.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हम कवर करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो पहले इसको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। लाइन ए बी एंड सी डी इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं। दिस line and this line intersects at point O. If AOC, if AOC, this angle, and BOE, this angle, the addition of these two angles are 70 degrees. BOD, यानी कि this angle, that is given 40 degrees. Now find the BOE. BOE, this angle you have to find out. Okay. Second, COE, but reflection. The reflex angle COE means you have to find out this angle, right? So this is the quantity to be determined. Now we start our question. Now the solution of this question is, since this line is a straight line, because OA is opposite ray of OB, then we can say is this straight line. So we can write the statement that the OA and OB are opposite rays, therefore this AB is a straight line, or AB is a line. Since ray OC, this OC stands on AB, right? So we can write that angle AOC plus angle COB, that is 180 degree. The angle AOC, I am using different color, angle AOC, this angle, and COB, this angle. So these two angles will be 180 degree because of linear pair. We can say this is a linear pair. So if you are not able to understand, please give in the comment box. Now the angle AOC, as it is we are writing, but the angle COB can be divided into two parts. One is this part and another is this part. So one is COE, another is EOB. So we can write COE plus angle BOE. So that is equal to 180 degree. Fine. So we can write angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is given to us, plus angle COE 180 degree. So this will be 70 degree, that is given to us, plus angle COE, that is 180 degree. So we can find out from this angle COE, that is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. That comes out to be 110 degree. So that we are able to get. Now the reflex angle that we have to find out of COE, reflex angle, is equal to 360 degree minus actual angle. So this is 360 degree. The angle is 110. So if I am going to subtract it, this will give 250 degree. This is first answer that we have to determine. रिफ्लेक्स COE हमें निकालना था, वो हमने निकाल दिया यहाँ पर. अब we have to find out BOE, ये हमें निकालना है. So we are just proceeding on this side. Now the COD is also a straight line, because since OC and OD are opposite rays, so CB is a straight line, or is a line. Since on this line OE is standing on this line, so we can say that ray OE stands on CD. So the linear pair COE plus angle EOD, that is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Fine. Because now we are talking about this line, right? और ये वाली जो लाइन है वो इसके ऊपर स्टैंड करती है. So we can say that this angle, again we are using different color, this angle and this angle will make 180 degree. Fine. So further we are proceeding. Now we can divide this angle into two portions. We bring that diagram downward, so we can just cut it and bring it down so that we can understand better. So here is the diagram. Now we can divide this angle into two portions. One is BOD and another is EOB. Now we can write angle COE plus this EOD can be divided into two portions. Angle BOE plus angle BOD, that is equal to 180 degree. Now again this angle we recently find it out. This is 110, so we can write 110 plus angle BOE, that we don't know, we have to find it out. BOD, that is given to us, this is 40 degree. We can write this is 40 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Now angle BOE, that is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree minus 140 degree. If we subtract it, this will be 30 degree left. So this is nothing but BOE. Fine. And if it is so, we are able to get our second answer. First, we already find out the reflex COE हमें निकालना था, जो हमने 250 निकाल लिया. So that is the answer for this question. Hope you like the solution. Please subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.